when it comes to, if you apply both technical and fundamental analysis at the start of a new bull market, where you find companies that are way undervalued, they have a superior product, they got the right team in place, and the chart matches up and you have buy signal, I mean, that's what can create some of the most powerful moves in the market. So there's nothing wrong with fundamental analysis and things like that. I just believe there's a time when it's really, really useful to make sure you pick the best stocks during a new bull market. In terms of like the overall technical analysis, I think the key really is to follow the trends. I like to know what these big trends are doing. I have a bearish bias on the markets, but we are actually long equities. If we take a look, the SP 500, our technical analysis saying, we want to be long here. We've been long since November. Same with the NASDAQ. We get in, we ride these up. So I'm long, I'm bullish. I believe this market's going to go higher until proven guilty, until it reverses and kicks us out of the trade. Until then, we just sit here and ride this trend up until the price turns, and then we exit that position. And actually, one of the tools that I use is this custom kind of sentiment and panic indicator. And so this is the QQQ. Same chart as on the left, just color coded differently. And I've got a design that when we're in an uptrend and we get these red bars are telling us people are betting against the market. They're panicking because they think this market is going to keep going down. And here they think it's going to continue. It's actually going to roll over. So they're betting on the downside. Same over here. They think it's going down. Here they finally say, okay, this has got to be the top. It's going down. And whenever we get these scenarios, we tend to see the market go in the opposite direction. These people here are the people trying to pick bottoms, the people trying to pick tops, and they just keep getting beaten down. And when we get these awesome signals and these moves to the upside. And if you understand crowd psychology, and I can track where money's flowing, and when we know where it's flowing and in what direction and how much, we know what they're thinking and what they're doing with their money. And when we know what the majority are doing with their money, we can take the opposite side and we can bet against them. And that's what this chart allows us to do. So there's some pretty amazing analysis you can do if you understand intermarket analysis. You don't only get price action, but now we know what the average Joe is doing. And whenever all the average Joes are doing the same thing, the chart screams to us saying, okay, here we go. They're all positioned on the wrong side. They're about to be left behind again. So, I mean, there's technical analysis is very powerful when you understand how to pull all the layers together and understand what they do. So it's pretty exciting stuff.